Welcome back to PYG tutorial. Friends, so in previous lecture we have seen the area of a ratio of two triangles. Now here we are going to start with our solve examples in a geometry of class 10th. The example 1 is represent a diagram ABC and diagram along with the BDF. Here the adjoining figure E is perpendicular to segment BC. Segment DF is perpendicular to line BC. Also given in this example, AE is equal to 4 and DF equal to 6. Both the height is given. Then we have to find the area of a triangle ABC divided by area of a triangle DBC. Friends, that means here we are going to find the ratio of a true triangle, area of a true triangle. Okay, now begin with what is given. Okay, so as per the given, we are marked as base is a BC in both the triangle is a common, and AE is a 4 and 6 DF is a 6. Now we are going to find the ratio of a area of a given triangle. Now base segment BC are equal in both this triangle, and as we know the area of a triangle is nothing but 1 by 2 into base into height. So friends, we write the ratio of this two triangle as a like this way: 1 by 2 into BC into AE divided by 1 by 2 into BC into DF, which is equal to, here 1 by 2 get cancelled, as a common BC is there, so BC is also cancelled, remaining will be the AE divided by DF. So friends, here we know that AE is a 4 and DF is a 6. So we can further fraction to this and we get area of a triangle ABC divided by area of a triangle DBF is equal to 2 divided by 3. Now proceed with the next example. In a triangle ABC, point D on a side BC is such that DC equal to 6, BC equal to 15, and here we have find area of a triangle ABD is to area of a triangle ABC, which is nothing but area of a triangle ABD divided by area of a triangle ABC. Similarly, we are going to find area of a triangle ABD is to area of a triangle ADC, which is also equivalent to area of a triangle ABD divided by area of a triangle ADC. Okay, so let's see what is given. AP is perpendicular to BC and AP is a height where BC and DC is given. So as per this diagram, height is a common where the base is a different. Friends, we already know the BC is a 15 and DC is a 6, but as per the given question we know that we need a BD because we are going to find the value of area of a triangle ABD. So here we are going to consider BC is nothing but, so BC, this full length is nothing but BD plus DC. We can represent BD plus DC. The calculation will be, the DC will be the positive side goes to the left hand side, it will be a minus. The equation will be BD equal to BC minus DC, which is equal to 15 minus, put the value of BC and DC, 15 minus 6 equal to 9. So here we get BD equal to 9. Here we are going to find the ratio between these two areas. Now the BD become a 9. Now here the height is a common. Height is a equal in both the triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Hence the triangle proportional is based on their bases. We know that area of a triangle is nothing but 1 by 2 into base into height. Now proceed with the representation. We can write area of a triangle ABD is to area of a triangle ABC is nothing but 1 by 2 into BD into AP divide by 1 by 2 into BC into AP. Put the values, get 1 by 2 cancel, AP get cancel, remaining will be BD upon BC. Now we know that BD is a 9 and BC is a 15. Further fraction value will be area of a triangle ABD divided by area of a triangle ABC is equal to 3 divided by 5. Here we have doing the division by 3, numerator as well as denominator. Next ratio will be area of a triangle ABD is to area of a triangle ADC. The representation will be 1 by 2 into BD into AP divided by 1 by 2 into DC into AP. Friends, 1 by 2 and AP will be get cancelled as it is a similar value. Now we have BD divided by DC. The answer will be 9 divided by 6. Now, the ratio of the given area of a triangle ABD divided by ADC is equal to 3 by 2. I hope all of you are getting this. Now, next example here, in this example number 3, the square is given. Square ABCD is a parallelogram where P is any point on the side BC. Find the two pair of the triangle with the equal areas. Friends, we are going to finding out the triangle pair who has equal area. Okay, let's begin with. Now there is one hint. As we use a parallelogram, indicate height are the same in the given triangle. तो मतलब जो भी पेयर कंसिडर करोगे उसमें हाइट तो सिमिलर होने वाली है. ओके, देन वी यूज also means we are going to find a triangle pair whose bases are the same. Okay, height is similar. Now our task to find the triangle whose base are common, whose base is equal, so that we get the equal areas of that given triangle. So here, as per this, AD is parallel to your BC and AB is parallel to your DC, and that means H is a height which is equal. Now, as we know, area of a triangle is nothing but 1 by 2 into base into height. Now, consider these two triangle ABC and BDC. As per the above diagram, figure 1.11, we are draw ABC and BDC. Here, height is a common, BC is a common base. That means it indicate what? Hence, we get area of a triangle ABC is equal to area of a triangle BDC. Okay. Similar way, we can consider the two triangle ABC and ABD. ABC and ABD. Here again parallel lines, height is a H. Okay, and AB is a common base. Now again AB is a common base and height is a similar. That means both the triangle are equal. Hence we can say that area of a triangle ABC equal to area of a triangle ABD. Now proceed with next. Likewise, we can also have some few pair such as area of a triangle APC equal to area of a triangle DPC. As here the common base is a PC, height is a H. Also area of a triangle APD equal to area of a triangle ACD. Height is a H and common base is a AD. Friends, in this question they ask only the two triangle pair, but here we are represent more pairs so that you will get to know how we are going to find the common base from the given diagram. Now next problem will be example number 4. In this triangle ABC, where BP is a perpendicular to AC and point D is any point on the AC. Okay, In the example, they also given that AC equal to 16 and DC equal to 9. And we are going to find the ratio of the given three example. Okay. So let's begin with what is given. BP is perpendicular to AC. BP is a height. AC equal to 16 and DC is a 9. Friends, as per the given question, we need to find the value of AD. Okay. So we know that AC is nothing but AD plus DC. AC is nothing but AD plus DC. And we know that AC is a 16 and DC is a 9. So it is easy to find AD equal to AC minus DC, which is equal to 16 minus 9. Again the AD will be, we get as a 7. The value of AD will be 7. Okay. Now we begin with first question is asking area of ABD divided by area of ABC. So ABD and ABC has equal height. That means it is based on their bases. So AD divided by AC. So AD is 7 and AC is 16. The ratio will be 7 by 16. In the next example, area of a triangle BDC divided by area of a triangle ABC. Again, in both these cases, height is a common, that is equal. The ratio is a corresponding basis, depending on corresponding basis. The answer will be DC upon AC. Friends, we know that DC is a 9, AC is a 16. Answer will be 9 by 16. The third one is area of a triangle ABD divided by area of a triangle BDC, which is equal to AD divided by DC. Friends, again the height is common in both the scenario. The ratio lies between their corresponding bases. So AD is a 7 and DC is a 9. The ratio is 7 by 9. I hope all of you are getting solve problems in the geometry of class 10th. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and please subscribe and click on the bell icon.